So when I play Dandy's World, I joined a run and I used coal. And there's a griefer. It's Tasha. I tried to distract, but she kept taking the twisteds. And then she says, "Is he in the chat?" Like I didn't mean to hook. So I tried to grief out her back and not guess what? She blames me.
No.
Like what did you just do before? And then she IGRFS me but failed. And then IGTG. After GTG I changed my tune back into Ginger. A matchmaking. And then a poppy says, "Oh Ginger, like what I did." And then I GTG again. And try solo. And then GTG again. And then I played Sue. And then not a retro slop that blamed at me. What is that?
Shut the fuck up.
Astro, what did? You just...
Goodbye, bitch.
Okay, but that shock's not up me. And then the retro.slop says, "This." And then I got reply him back this. Anyways, that is HICU out.